this is Vaishnavi from Mind Manifestation Design. I am presenting Linear Progression, one of our interior design projects. We have submitted linear progressions for specific awards in small living space category. This design is entirely based on the client's lifestyle and material selection. This house is the honest expression of playing with offered geometry to suit the exact required function in order to achieve utmost usability and aesthetics. We have tried to achieve fresh ambience through simplest possible interventions, making the space comfortable for end user to experience on daily basis. The material palette primarily features timber, copper and lime plaster, while most of the solid wood furniture has been customized based on the client's need. We designed the furniture units to cater different activities during different hours of the day. Element that features prominently in the entire house and adds to its intrinsic value is the use of line. Line, when arranged in repetition, it creates a rhythmic pattern. Common concept of linear progression has been followed in the entire house to deal with the leftover compact carpet spaces after siting the bulky storage units, which help in creating interesting user interface. The linear progression is expressed in various treatments at the various areas of the house, such as the linear patterns on the door and the furniture and black and white strips on the wall, etc. We kept the color palette as fresh as possible with the subtle combination of natural materials, which makes the space comfortable for end user to use it on daily basis. A good timeless interior design is one that combines functionality and aesthetics in equal measure. So while the neutral palette and natural materials exude understated elegance, a keen eye will reveal that each element in this home has been designed to fulfill a certain function. The living room is first free with clean lines. The wooden paneling on the walls, a design element replicated throughout the home, is complemented by a classic mahogany leather sofa. The room also features a fair amount of grace through the dining chairs, curtains and framed photographs. The teal chair and rug offset the neutral palette, while the chevron printed cushions add a whimsical touch. The master bedroom's decor is dominated by wooden furniture. Perhaps one of the most interesting features of the space is the bedside chair that also doubles up as a nightstand. Another space-saving feature is the foldable workstation attached to the full-length wardrobe. The son's room too makes optimal use of the space with its minimalist decor. One of the standout features here is the world map pin-up board above the desk and a series of polished wooden knobs that add an artistic touch and also offer functionality to hang medals. The top half of the room is darker tone in keeping the theme of the house, while the lower levels, which are easily accessible to the child, feature some of the more playful elements such as shelves near the bed with the action figures and books. The guest bedroom features the symmetry of linear pattern that runs through the house. This room is understated with a pale palette with splashes of color. This house is an example of dealing with a compact space to accommodate multiple functions where functionality and elegance can coexist peacefully. This house is best example in dealing with the compact carpet spaces where functionality and elegance go hand in hand. This was Linear Progression. Thank you. Hope you liked the project.